Evision provide to help trainers identify the best fit talent for roles across various IT industries. Evision get right the first time so candidate can focus on their success and growth. Myself Rajat Manjunath Vernekar. I am from Karnataka. I have completed my diploma in mechanical from Motichand Lengde Bhartesh Polytechnic College in 2017. I had enrolled on a 4th August for online job training. I'm happy to say that I got a job offer from ISHTA Technology with a salary offered by 6.2 LPA. eVision is a great online institution for training in job internship program, and what they speak, they do 100% job assessment. That I recommended to take e-learning from the institution for the institute because we got one-to-one assistance for cracking interviews to achieve our dream job in MNCs. Thank you so much.